Hey there, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how the service remove.bg works. It's a tool that removes the background of an image with just the click of a button, and it's free. So for this example, I'm using a profile pic, but it will remove the background images from other types of pics as well. But yeah, let's start with this pic here. So first thing we're going to do is upload the image into the program, and you'll see that it will automatically remove the background without you having to do anything else. Now, this can be a super tedious process if you're trying to do it yourself in like Photoshop or any of those other kinds of editing programs. It can be super frustrating. So once that's done, now this might be enough for you, because you can now take this image. You would just download it here, and it would download it onto your computer, and then you could take that image and use it, say for instance, on your website, so that it would your image would just blend right into the website itself, rather than having like a boxy image that looks kind of unprofessional. But if you're going to use it in your newsletter, say, you're probably going to want to have some sort of a background here. So what you're going to do then is click edit, and then it gives you a whole bunch of different kinds of backgrounds that you can use. Some look kind of fake or whatever, and some are better than others. So this one, for instance, here, this looks a little bit more natural. If you want to do something like an outdoorsy type of photo, but you can see this does look fake, then what you can do is you could sort of blur it to make it look a little bit more legit. I think there's a brick background here. There's one that's all brick, but we'll go with this one here. So if you wanted to take the blur out, you just click it like that. One of the things I really like about the service, though, is that it allows you to use your own background. So for instance, we sometimes use a white brick background that we'll put in for an agent, just to make it give it kind of that industrial kind of type feel. But for this example, I took it a step further, and I found a background image of this is a Century 21 office. No offense to you agents that aren't Century 21s, I just grabbed this real quick just for these purposes here. But if you have an image that you like already, but you want to have you stood in your lobby and kind of give it that effect, you would just upload that by clicking the upload button and then selecting the image, and voila, it looks like you're stood in your own lobby. So yeah, this is how you do it. Like I say, it's free, super easy, lots of fun. So and then once you're done, you just click this download button, and that's it. So yeah, get out there, take your profile pics, get rid of those ugly backgrounds, and make them pop. All right, take care.